and myself, Jayanto sir, welcoming you all to another new chapter, that is properties of triangle, or you can say about triangle. This is a very important chapter, very vital chapter for your future mathematics study, because when we will be going to next higher classes, that is class 8, class 9, class 10, you will be introducing with congruence of triangle, similar triangle, about these chapters. And from now onwards, if you started knowing about triangle properly in future, I hope you will not face any problem. So today let us know about the different properties of triangle and what does triangle is. See, triangle is the smallest polygon. Triangle is the smallest polygon. Why it is called polygon? Because it is bounded by line segment. It is bounded by line segment, that is it. That's why it is known as polygon. So triangle is the smallest polygon bounded by 3 line segment. What else we know about triangle? It has 3 sides. It has 3 angles. It has 3 vertices. So all these are the 3 parts of the triangle. So these are the parts of the triangle. Now let us know about the properties of triangle. What are the properties of triangle? Now you see there are 3 sides and 3 angles. What are the properties? Number 1 property of the triangle is that is very important. That is called angle sum property also. That is the sum of the 3 angle. The sum of the 3 angle is 180 degree. This is the most important properties of triangle. That is the sum of the 3 angle is 180 degree. What else we know? That sum of any 2 sides. Sum of any 2 sides. There are 3 sides like AB and BC. Sum of any 2 sides. I have added these 2 sides. I have added these two sides. Sum of any 2 sides always greater than the third sides. So if I add these 2, the sum will be more than the third one. If I add these 2, then this sum will be more than the third side, that is AB. And if you add these 2 sides, that is AB plus AC, that will be more than the third side BC. So you can write AB plus AC, and it will be greater than the BC. And if you add BC, these 2, AC plus BC, then it will be greater than AB. So this is another properties, that is sum of any 2 sides is always greater than the third side. Number 3 property is that difference of any 2 sides always less than the third side. Like this one, difference of any 2 sides. Suppose you are subtracting the measurement of these 2 sides, that will be less. The difference will be less. Like AB minus AC. This is the difference of 2 sides. AB minus AC. Difference of 2 sides always less than the third side, that is AC. Difference of 2 sides always less than the third sides. Okay, like these 2 sides, AC minus BC. If you said AC minus BC, AC minus BC, difference of these 2 sides will be less than the third side, that is AB. So like this we can write. So 3 properties already have studied, that is sum of the 3 angle is 180 degree, and sum of any 2 sides is always greater than the third side. Sum of any 2 sides greater than the third side. And about difference of any 2 sides is less than the third sides. So this is all about the properties of triangle. So in this chapter we are going to study about these properties and the application of these properties.